Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log in into your fmc4me employee portal. fmc4me is Fresenius Medical Care that provides a comprehensive range for products and services for dialysis patients. To log in into this employee portal, firstly open your web browser and search for fmc4me.com. It will take you to the login page, and over here you guys can see the interface for sign in. Enter your username here, and if you want to keep sign in, you can click on keep me sign in button over here and click on next. Now enter your password like this. If you want to confirm what you typed, you can click on this eye logo to confirm the password and click on verify. You must be able to log in into your Fresenius Medical Care account, and in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click on I forgot my password to reset it. So that is how you guys can log in into Fresenius Medical Care account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for more content like this. And don't forget to comment down below for your reviews. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.